Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, I'm just going to show you guys a funny video. In case you guys haven't heard, the biggest craze on the internet right now is WhistlinDiesel's Skidsteer. It was his dad's, and it got stolen in 2007, about 15 years ago, and he put out a reward, $250,000. $250,000 reward for anybody that found it. So he's been getting lots of messages, and people have been making YouTube videos saying that they found it. And today he put a video out where he went on a lead and he went all the way to some place to find it, and it was the wrong one. But he still has hopes that somebody will find it out there. So my kid had this little toy from when he was little, and I just thought it would be funny to say that I found WhistlinDiesel's Skidsteer. So I made this little video. I hope you guys like it. It's just funny, nothing serious today, guys. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. I hope everything is going good for you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And if any of you are bored and you guys just want to watch some videos, there's a guy out there named WhistlinDiesel, and he makes some pretty good videos. Have a great day, guys.